All right, so anytime I'm doing a trade, I'm going to always look at it in Risk Navigator first. Just make sure everything looks okay. I'm going to look at my price alerts. Then in terms of entering the trade, it is going to be different for every broker, but with interactive brokers, we put in the stock, we go to combinations, option combos. And another common question that comes up is, do you enter it as one trade or two vertical spread trades? I prefer to do it as two vertical spread trades. So rather than doing an iron condor, I'm going to go here to vertical spread, choose my expiration date. I'll do the puts first. Now IB is a bit backwards. We kind of have to do it, put the closest strike first. Sorry, that way. Select, and I'll add that one, and then I'll do the calls, which was 205 and 210. So then we get our two spreads, we've got the underlying strikes, and I'll usually just sort of separate these out. Now, unfortunately, because we're after hours, we're not getting prices coming in for these spreads, but normally you'd see a bid price, an ask price, and a mid price. What we want to do is click on the bid because we want to sell that spread. So we're selling the call spread, even though it says bull call. Interactive brokers is a little bit confusing, but we want to basically sell that call spread, and then we want to trade it somewhere near the mid price. We can kind of, as I said, during market hours, this will be populated and we'd have a mid price there that we could then put into here as our price. We can calculate that pretty quickly. Basically, the difference between these two, we're selling for 101, buying for 47. Difference is about 54. So the midpoint's going to be about 54. So I'll do that, and then I'll do the same for the put side, selling. What's the difference? A bit under 43 cents, is it? So 0.43. And then, you could do one contract or two contracts in the example, and then that gets filled. So that's the way I kind of enter them. Then when we need to do any sort of adjustment, we'd basically come in and do the opposite. Let's say this has been filled. We wait a week or so, all of a sudden we need to adjust. We'd come in and we'd buy to close. We'd do the same thing, close it out at the midpoint, and then we'd maybe roll it down to lower strikes, and then we'd sell the newer one.